Hey guys, Reading Video Games here, and sorry I'm trying to be
Today we are
a little quiet, but anyways, I'm a little bit sick, but guess where we are going? We're gonna go to Jump Creek.
And we're gonna videotape it. Yep.
We're gonna
videotape this whole ride.
There's gonna be a waterfall and stuff, and the best part is
there's rocks, and we're gonna have a picnic. And we're gonna have a picnic with the rocks. We're gonna have a picnic on a rock, but we're gonna cut that stuff out because you don't want us to see us eat.
We're here.
And yeah.
Alright guys, we're here. There's we'll zoom in or do the there we go. There we go, it's over there. Okay, so over there. Wait, so where's the waterfall? It's really windy. Here.
Let's go this way.
Alright guys, we'll be back at the waterfall. Alright, we have to go all the way down here and it's super steep. Gunnar just slipped. Gosh. So I'm on the grass because grass gives you grip and that goes down very steep. It doesn't look as steep on the camera, but in reality it's really steep. Very steep. If you guys could come over here, you could see how steep it is. It's really cool. So I'll be back at the waterfall. I feel like I could hear it. I feel like I could hear the waterfall. I don't know. I'll show you guys it though. But I'll be right back.
Guys, so we just got back.
We just got back. All the way up there. So we're gonna go.
And you can actually hear the waterfall.
Bathroom really quick.
Here, I'll hold the camera.
No, I got it.
Oh,
All right, 1 second. Look at those caves, people.
We can go up right here in the grass.
All right, let's go.
We're gonna go up here to the caves. Whoa, I'll be right back. It was really hard to get up here. Look at this. Look at this. This is like a cave thing. This is really cool.
Can I get in here?
It's really cool.
Oh, these are bros.
We're gonna.
Dad, are these bros?
Alright, so apparently we have to go through this water. Okay, so I'm gonna try not to get wet. Oh gosh, it's slippery. Gosh. Whoa.
I smashed the bug.
Oh gosh, this part's gonna be cold or wet. We're up here. I think there's some people over here. Oh no. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whoa. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, guys.
That is so cool. It's like a cave.
That's a bear cave.
Whoa, that's like deep. That's a deep cave.
Look at there's water all in it too.
There's like water in it.
There's like a lot of wood.
Here. Whoa, this is cool. We're inside of a small little cave thing.
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome.
Just like this thing. It's so cool. Alright. I see the waterfall, guys. See that? Right over there. We can get closer to it in a minute. Alright guys, we have to do another one of these things again. And then the waterfall's over there. It's so cool. Alright. Yeah, okay. Over here. There it is. Oh. There it is.
Mom,
That is cool.
there's a duck swimming.